guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be playing Bloxburg, and for this video I'm not just gonna be playing, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I finish. Well, not really showing you, but we're gonna be finishing one room of my house. I am not gonna show you my house yet because that's for later. So for today's video I'm gonna finish up my room, my office room, and a house tour. Yeah, so I've been pretty obsessed with this game. I've been playing it a lot for like the past 3 weeks. And yeah, so let's start. Okay, so as you can see here, this room is quite empty. I didn't put too much on it because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do for this room. So I'm gonna try to like put it nicely. So like I said, this is going to be my office. I've already put a desk here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that, but let's just begin. Hi guys, so for this part of the video, I kind of thought that I was recording my voice, but I really wasn't. I think I forgot to change the settings for my mic to be connected, but I didn't. So this whole part here is basically muted. Yeah, just because of that. And I should check things before I start recording. But yeah, so basically here is I'm showing you the results and the house tour. So as you can see here, I'm gonna do voiceover of what I'm saying. So I just showed you my garage, and that's my whole house. It's 2 floors. Yeah, so I guess you can, I'm not gonna do a voiceover, never mind, I switched my mind, but just watch that. I'll just put some music over it and you can just check my house out. Yeah, I will not make this mistake next time I record. So yeah, that's basically the whole video, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.